Y'all, guess what? Frontier has their all-you-can-fly pass on sale again. But guess what else? It went up. I'm gonna let y'all know about it, and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it too. So first I wanna say that it's really hard to get flights for Frontier. Let's just start off like that. Like, you have to be on top of your business to get flights for Frontier, but you can do it. I recommend it because if you wanna take a little day trip, it's the perfect thing because it's good for last minute flights. So if you wanna call in to work tomorrow, I don't know, you need to take a little self-care day, you have a day off, or you just have some free time that you can take and it's all last minute, this is the perfect pass for you. So I have a love-hate relationship with the Frontier Pass, y'all. I got mine last year for $299 and I've been using it. I've been using mine because mine is up April of next year, and I was like, you're gonna get your money's worth out of it. But one thing I can say about Frontier is you are gonna fight for them flights. Like, you're gonna fight to find them flights. It's just, for some reason, it's so difficult to find flights. I just want to put that out there right now. If you're up for a challenge, this pass is for you, but it's not impossible. So that's still a good thing. But anyway, let me show y'all the new sale that they have because it really is worth it, y'all. I've been on like probably 4 or 5 trips. I've definitely paid for my pass, but man, did I have to search for it. Let me show you how I found it. So y'all already know we're gonna start on Google. Go ahead and put in Frontier. Oh, it comes up. Frontier Airlines. Go ahead and put that in and press search. And it's gonna be the first one that pulls up. They already have it up here. It must be a thing going on. Hopefully, when y'all see this video, it's still going on if y'all want this pass. So let's see. They have the all-you-can-fly pass annual sale. That's the first thing that pulls up when you go to the site. And it also says the deal ends soon. So hopefully when y'all see this, the deal has not ended soon. But let's see. Let's just go over what it has and how I feel about it. So they have the all-you-can-fly annual sale. It says unlimited flights up to 100 destinations. And it's through April of 2027, which is perfect because you can use it right now. And then you have until April of 2027. I think that's a good deal, especially if you need to go somewhere like starting in January, because I don't think they're going to have no good flights for this good December holiday. They might though. They might. And I'm going to be checking. But anyway, they got unlimited number of flights. They got confirmed bookings the day before. They do. So you really have to have an open schedule for this, for the domestic flights. It says confirmed bookings starting 10 days before departure international flights. I have not found an international flight that I could use, y'all. So I don't know anything about finding a good deal on the international flights, but maybe you're better searching. Maybe y'all are better at searching than me because I have not found one yet. And when I do, I'm gonna let y'all know about it. They be regular price, like when it's the international. Also, it says use early booking to book even earlier on select flights for a small fee. Okay, so that's true. So if you can't go like the next day, they do have flights that are discounted like a week away or maybe 5 or 6 days away. So that's a good thing. It's just gonna cost you probably $10 more, which is not bad. Because if you're going on the regular site and you're trying to get a flight that's within a week, you're gonna pay for it. You are. Okay, and then it says use elite status for free bags and seats. Okay, so that's extra. The elite status, I don't know nothing about that. That's definitely going to be extra because I definitely be taking myself and my purse when I be taking my day trips. I don't want to pay for luggage. This flight was $30. Okay, so anyway, that's done. Let's go down here so I can show y'all exactly what to do, and then we'll just talk about it a little more because I've been using my pass all year, and I'm going to tell y'all how I feel about it. Okay, so when you get here to choose your pass, you want to choose the one that says the limited time price $349 a year. You don't want to do this one. The $299 one, that's not the one because it's only from September, which is already past this year, to February. So no, that's out. And then this one is like a monthly pass, and it's saying it's going to cost you $149 a month. No. This one is still a good deal. It just went up $50, y'all. When I bought mine, it was $299. And I was like, no matter what, that's a good deal. The $349, that extra $50 got me thinking like, should I renew mine? I don't know. But if you have not tried the all-you-can-fly pass, I say go for it. Go for it with the $349 because even if you get 2 or 3 flights, you've definitely paid for the pass already. But I'm up for the challenge. Before April gets here and my pass is expired, I'm definitely going to try to get like 5 more flights out of them at least. So you would click on the annual pass here. I just love that it says April 2027. That makes me so happy. That makes it almost worth it. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to come down here and fill out your information. and then you're gonna go ahead and pay for it. And it's gonna make you make an account with them. So anytime that you are trying to book a flight, you would just come up here and you would log in, and then you would just go to the GoWild Pass option, and it'll let you book the flights for that rate or whatever. But let's talk about how I feel about the pass. Okay, so I have went on, I think 3, 4, or 5 trips this year. It's December. I got my pass in May, I believe. I think May 1st was the first month that I could use my pass. So from May to December, I went to Atlanta. I went to New York. I went to Denver. I went to Las Vegas. Did I go to Las Vegas twice? I think just once on this pass. And I went to, where else? Where else, y'all? It was somewhere else. Denver. Did I say Denver? Went to Denver. Okay. So that's the places I've been so far. I am going to go to New York again before this year is over with, because I'm sure I can find a deal for it, like with the all-you-can-fly pass. So I'm going to use my pass for that. I've been trying to go to Los Angeles with it, but I have not found a good deal. San Diego, they normally have good deals and stuff like that. So the pass, it's worth it. It's just a challenge. Also, let me disclose this for y'all. I have had a couple of flights that have been delayed with Frontier. So if you are using it for a day pass, just know that you might get home at 1 o'clock in the morning sometimes, because for some reason, they just been delaying flights with Frontier. I don't know if that's what they're about. But my experience has been that I've been on a couple of delayed flights. All the flights have not been delayed. The flights getting on the plane have not been delayed. It's just getting back home that's been delayed for me a couple of times. So it's still worth it with the delays. It's still worth it because any flight can be delayed. And if you're just paying $30 for the flight, the delay hit different. It ain't even that bad. Especially if you got like a little, what do you call it? A little American Express, and you can go in the lounge. When I have a delay, I just go back to the lounge. Give me another little tequila sunrise and relax. But I just want to let y'all know that this pass is available. It did go up $50 more. I do think it's worth it. It is a challenge to get these flights. It is. But you are up for the challenge. Also, let me tell y'all this. If you do get the pass, the flights, 12 a.m. Set your alarms. The next day, you need to be booking the flight for the day after, because it seems like as soon as it gets to the new day, 12 a.m., that's when you see the flights available. When it gets like in the middle of the day, the flights just be going so fast. But with that being said, I have found flights at 5 o'clock p.m. and I left at 5 o'clock a.m. that next day. So it's possible. It is possible, but you have to be on it with these flights. And when you have this pass, be intentional about getting these flights, because you want to at least get your money's worth, right? At least 4 or 5 flights out of it in the whole year. Right. But anyway, y'all, I just want to let y'all know about the annual pass that they have, the all-you-can-fly pass for Frontier, because I have really been enjoying my day trips with my pass, and I just want everybody else to have that option too. But thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Even the house, sometime before 3, Spark loaded me
We
up.
have to have 1 dirt road per day at least.
Dirt
We
road
have to.
cheese. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.